Welcome back to Dat Build. And today is an episode of Zero Progress. Welcome back to Dat Build. Today is an episode of Zero Progress. Yes, it is, or was. I am doing this a bit in the past now, or future anyway, I should say. I'm completely out of phase. It has been torrential rain, so much so that a lot of the area in which I live in has been classed as a massive disaster zone. Luckily where I live, it didn't impact us as bad. I could still luckily get about, get to work, all that sort of thing. Not that really made much of a difference. No one else could, so I was kind of left there to my own duties. But anyway, it has just been a nightmare, and as you can see here, this is pretty much the rain I had. This is actually before it even got to the really bad stages. It was, swampy, but it wasn't that bad. It's been all over the news. It's obviously national news itself. It's some pretty bad weather, and of course we've had this now since the end of last year. It's ongoing. It stops in small waves, but the ground is so sodden, the water has nowhere to go. The drainage it's at capacity. It's just overflowing absolutely everywhere. So yeah, we're more or less fighting against the elements, and with that being the case, I couldn't get anything done. I'm unfortunately still waiting on parts. Some parts arrived, and I was unfortunately sent an incorrect part in place of my brake line kit, so that didn't help anything there. Still waiting for that to come through, then I can progress on with that. With the ML, obviously, it was just outside, so couldn't do anything. The rain just stopped me from doing that, so progressed nothing, basically. Annoyingly, a bit of a waste. I did end up installing my computer on the wall here, so again, this will be for future use. Haven't got everything in. I'm still missing a power lead. I need to get a right angle unit because it's too close to the wall. Didn't get one with enough of a gap, so it doesn't matter. Sorting that out, that'll be done soon enough. And then of course I've got something else to install in amongst that as well. Parts. I'll release an episode next week progressing on with this stuff. Key insight, it is dry now, so I'm going to get a bit of work done, but I'm not going to have enough time to edit that alongside. This is going to be posted as is, so going to leave it here. This is pretty much everything. So stay safe, guys. Don't drive into floodwaters, unlike one of our New South Wales highways police cars. Anyway, but yeah, just if you see floodwaters over the road, don't take a chance. Just avoid it at all costs. Even if you have a lifted four-wheel drive, very much like I'm hoping to continue to finish off very soon. So anyway, guys, thank you very much for joining me. As always, like, subscribe, comment below, etc. Tell your friends, tell your family, tell your neighbor. Always pack an umbrella. Just even in this sort of weather, it's nice and sunny, but like that. Anyway, guys, until next time.